Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to get loading effect on Instagram. Okay, so this is very simple. First of all, you will open up your Instagram application, and then we have to actually record. Okay, so we will tap on this plus icon here, and then we will tap on story here, and then you will actually search for different types of filters here. Okay, so if we go to the post here, let's go to the reels option here, sorry, and then you will actually tap on this effects option here, and then you have to search for, so you will tap on this here and you will search for loading here, and after searching for loading you will see different kind of effects. Okay, so let's try this one. So here you can see that we have this loading effect. Okay, so now you can actually record your reel with this loading effect. So that's how to get loading effect on Instagram. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.